Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to text effect in Photoshop, only way. Start by creating a new document and typing your headline with a bold font. Convert the text to a smart object so you can edit effects later. Use layer styles like bevel, gradient overlay, and drop shadow to build depth. Add a subtle texture and adjust blending modes for realism. Finish by refining highlights and final color grading for impact. Now we dive into layer styles to craft a strong text effect. Start with bevel and emboss to sculpt edges, then add a gradient overlay to give life to flat colors. Apply a soft drop shadow with realistic distance and spread so the text sits naturally on the background. Tweak opacity and blend modes for subtlety. Save each style as a layer style for easy reuse across projects and variations. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel and help me make more tutorials. Quick recommendation: the Echo Dot smart speaker brings your space to life with music while you design, making long sessions more enjoyable. Check the description for the product link and other deals to grab one for your studio. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Add texture and finishing touches to sell the effect. Place a high-resolution texture layer above the text and set the blending mode to overlay or soft light, then mask areas you want clean. Subtle noise and grit make the effect tactile without overpowering legibility. Finally, apply gentle vignette and color adjustments to match the scene, and review the composition at different sizes to ensure readability on small screens and thumbnails.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.